Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to use CapCut templates. So first, you need to make sure that your CapCut is updated. So go to Play Store and update your app. Now open your CapCut and go to your templates right here at the bottom. You can see the template icon. Now here you can choose a template what you want to use for your video. You have an options right here, lyrics at the top or beat or fun right here or meme. So you can choose all the templates that you want for your video. So for example, I will use this one template right here. And then if you tap on this one, you can see the use templates button at the bottom right corner. So all you gotta do is tap this use template right here and choose a video that you want. Now, once you've done, you can now tap on this export button at the top right corner. Now the second method that you're going to do is go to your TikTok app. And right here, if you see a template, you just go to tap this CapCut, try this template, and then tap this use template in CapCut. So you just tap this red button right here, and then you can see it will automatically open your CapCut. Then tap on the use template button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then choose a video that you want to use. So that's the two ways on how you basically use your CapCut templates. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.